What's up, y'all? As promised, I have another subscription box that I don't normally unbox on my channel, and this one is the American Influencer Beauty Bundle. So each month the box is one brand. I've gotten Pure LYS, I've gotten Nude Sticks. Both of those I really liked, but this is probably the most exciting one. This is LYS Beauty. This is the cute little card. I actually already have a couple products from this brand that I really love. I have the foundation and I have the powder bronzer, but I have been wanting to try more, so this is perfect. First up, there is a serum. The rest is more makeup related. So this is the Think Bright Glow and Hydrate Serum. It goes for $28. Really affordable. And also I want to mention too that this is a black owned beauty brand. You can get it at Sephora, so it is good stuff in here. This is a vegan skin quenching face serum that leaves behind a succulent glow and long lasting hydration. Also, I love the rose gold packaging. They have this triangular theme going on, and I believe the LYS stands for Love Yourself. I'm just gonna drip it. Remember, it's fine to drip as long as you're not touching the dropper to your face. People are just like, don't drop it on your face. You can drop it on your face, it's fine. So this has hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. So to me, that's the perfect like daytime serum. That feels really nice. My skin looking good. I mean, I'm a little bit pink just from like touching my skin, but it feels great so far. I'm happy with that. They do also include, which is really cool, this is the Triple Fix Serum Foundation little like card for the shades. Now, I think all of these are too dark for me, but I do think it's cool. So if you get this box, then you have 5 shades and you can see like, is there a match? Am I in between these shades? What have you? So, okay, first item. Looking good. The next is a serum primer. So this is the Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. 5% niacinamide and AHAs. It's for pore and shine control. It's also a texture that I think I'm going to like. Usually, I don't really care about shine control. I like a little bit of my natural, you know, oils to come through my makeup in a controlled way. You know what I mean? Like powder on top, but it kind of just slowly makes your skin look a little bit more dewy throughout the day. I'm fine with that, but I know a lot of people would like to control the oil, and of course the look of pores, I'm on board. So let's go ahead and open this. Once again, it does have the triangular packaging, which I think is super cute. It's different. So it's like a gel consistency. If you can see, it's a little bit runny, so it's not thick feeling. I like the texture of it. It is a little bit thinner than like Milk Hydro Grips. Like if you've ever tried that and you thought, oh, that's kind of a thick one, this definitely has a thinner consistency, but it feels quite nice on the skin. Based off the texture, I would assume it was hydrating. And the AHA is a fruit blend, which is really nice to smooth and even the look of texture. And it has vitamins A, C, and E from grapefruit extract to brighten and help the look of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. So this really has like treatment ingredients in it. It is more than just, you know, priming and just a serum texture. It is actually like a treatment product, which is really cool. I'm gonna go ahead and use this too. This is the Speak Love Glossy Lip Treatment Oil. I've actually been wanting to try this, and I want to put it on because my lips are actually feeling dry. Oh, look at that applicator. That's really interesting looking. Oh, I can see that shine. I smell absolutely no scent. So the lip oil goes for $12 and the gripping primer goes for $20. I don't think I mentioned that. Really affordable prices, especially for something that you can pick up at Sephora. We also got the Precision Makeup Sponge. This sponge was the only thing that I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna like this because it is really pointed. Obviously, getting in that inner corner is gonna be super easy with this. So this goes for only $10, half the cost of a beauty blender. It says it's a unique triangle shaped sponge applicator designed to quickly blend complexion products onto the face, leaving behind an airbrush streak free finish. It's kind of firm, so I'm gonna go wet it because I'm curious how bouncy it's gonna get. I do usually prefer a sponge that's rather soft, so let's see. Here's the sponge. It did get quite a bit bigger. I don't know about this. This is the only thing that I'm like, I'm not sold on because we got harsh angles, but we're gonna see. Don't worry. But before we do that, I have the Aim High Multi-Use Liquid Highlighter. So it says it's a multi-purpose liquid highlighter booster that can be used over underneath or mix with foundation to give your skin an undeniable, healthy looking glow. This is bronze. It's not going to be an over-the-top highlighter for me, so I'm going to try it underneath foundation. Look at that. Oh, that is pigmented. So this should give just a little bit of a color shift to it and then have kind of like a lit from within glow to the skin. Okay, that actually made it look really pretty. I still have like a little bit of a glow underneath that I can see. I think I'll mix it next time and just see how that goes, but so far it looks really pretty. Everything is working on the face. So we only have one product left. Now I can use it now or I can use it after makeup, but we'll just do it now, and then if I feel like I need to add some, I'll show you adding some as well. So that is their Higher Standard Satin Matte Cream Blush in the shade Confident. This goes for $16 and the liquid highlight went for $19, if I didn't say that. I'm just gonna pick it up with a brush. Look how easily that's blending. I mean, I'm not even blending, I was just kind of like applying it. You can definitely go more pigmented or less pigmented. It didn't take much at all to do that, which is like a nice little flush of color, but you can definitely continue to layer it up. I've still got some concealer and things to do, so I'm just gonna go ahead and layer it because concealer, powder, and all that will kind of hide that a little bit. Look how pretty. All right, so this is the look I came up with. I did add a little cream blush on this side, but not this side, so you can see it's just very like a subtle pretty color after adding concealer and powder and all that. But I'll build it up now so you can see it didn't take a lot to get a little bit more color like this side. I think that looks really pretty. And I have to say too, my whole complexion and everything looks so beautiful today. Like it just looks really pretty skin. I don't know how else to put it, because it's just one of those days where like, wow, I love my foundation. That's literally what it feels like. So I'm really, really impressed with all of this. Like everything that worked to make my complexion look the way that it did, phenomenal. So the serum, the liquid highlighter, the primer, priming serum, obviously. The lip oil felt amazing on the lips, and I knew I was gonna like this. I just knew because I love the powder bronzer and I've been wanting to try these. They just look gorgeous. So I like this tone of this one too. It's not too bright or too bold, but it's not too neutral. It's got just the right amount of color. You know what? I used the sponge and I did like it. I get what they were going for. It's very triangular, but I don't know. I just don't know how I feel about the very sharp edges, except for when it comes to like doing powder on the nose and things like this. So I think it's a very useful sponge, but I don't know that it's going to be my go-to for like concealer. It's great for that very little inner corner, but I still feel like sponges that have sharp lines do kind of like, you have to blend out a bit more, if that makes sense. But that's being really, really nitpicky because it did work. I mean, it worked. And I used this side. This side was perfect for everything that I used it for. I used it for the bronzer, the foundation, even blending out the edges of my concealer just to make it smoother. Powder, which is why it looks like gray. But I really, really love this box. Like, I am so grateful. They did send me this, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that. They sent me the box. I am so happy with it. I think everything is so good. I don't even know how to pick a favorite because I didn't think that I was gonna like the highlighter because it was so dark. It actually is beautiful. It worked so well like underneath my foundation. I can't wait to mix it. Yeah, I love it all. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching and hanging with me. My next video will be a vlog with a lot of catching up, a lot of stuff. And I'm gonna film one more clip today of some packages that I got and wrap that up. So that will be coming fairly shortly. So thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.